just figured out why the same codes can run in one environment but not another. I've just recorded the whole process of spotting the errors. If you code your app with NIcegui and get this warning, this video is for you. Let's go. If you can't run the app with NIcegui, that could be due to PyWebView. Here I test starting my app within the test-env environment. Yep, it works. That's my translation app. Build in a sentence and hit explain, then display. That's what my app is doing. Ctrl C to quit the app, then deactivate it. Let's go to my old environment st. I expect an error warning here. Yep, it's there. It says could not find the github-dark theme. I thought that might be due to the PyWebView's version. Here you see the PyWebView version was 4.0.2, which was clearly outdated. Deactivate it. Let me show you the PyWebView's version for the workable environment. It's 4.2.2. In a non-workable st environment, I'll try updating PyWebView and see if it works. However, in that st environment, it won't work even when I update PyWebView. In between, we can't simply pip install PyWebView. See? Doesn't matter. Simply upgrade PyWebView. There we go. It's 4.2.2, right? By the time I didn't know, the app won't load even if I update PyWebView. After a couple of attempts, let me try reinstalling PyWebView from scratch. But I didn't know I should have pip install PyWebView within the root directory. Just go back. This time, it worked within the root directory, PyWebView. There we go. Unfortunately, the problem wasn't related to PyWebView. Test.py still doesn't work. I was about to give up, but I figured that out by accident. I just saw a package called Pigments. For the workable app, the Pigments version is 2.15.1, and the Pigments version for the non-workable app is 2.11.1, where the workable new environment is 2.15.1. It's more update. So let's try upgrading Pigments in the old environment. Done. And let's see if it works. Test.py. Yep, it works. I didn't expect it's the Pigments package, but anyhow. Okay. Ctrl C to quit the app, deactivate it, and exit. So as long as you update the Pigments package, you should be able to run your app. Hope it helps. Ciao.